So welcome my dear students. Today I am going to explaining how to calculate the square of any number, but this is the unique method, and in this method you can calculate the square of any number. So these tricks, this formula you can apply to find out the square of any number. You don't need the apply the another method. Okay, so my dear students, first of all you have to remember it. I think you have started in class 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to, first of all you have to one formula you have to remember, two formula, a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and second formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, you have to remember two formula only to find out the square of any number. So my dear student, if you calculate the square of 102, so first of all you have to break the 100 plus 2. Okay, first of all I am requesting you, if you break 102, so you can, if you write 98 plus 4 whole square, it also right, but if you break 98 plus 4, so I think your calculation will be so hard. So my dear student, I am requesting you 00 terms, that means 100, 1000, this type of terms you have to break, you have to able to bring, no, so your calculation so will be easy. So in this method, first of all I am breaking 102. If you break 100 plus, you can write 102, that means 100 plus 2 whole square. So you can apply easily formula, this formula, that means 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. Okay, so if you calculate 100 square, that means you have to write only after one you have to write 40. Again you have to multiply 2 to the 4, 4 1 the 4, that is 400, and here is 4. So my dear student, you have to add it, then 1 0 4 0 4. Our answer is done. So this process, this formula you can apply to find out the square of any number. Okay, so my dear students, this process is very easy, and this process is very you can apply to find out the square of any number, not only 102, any number. That means you can write suppose 96. So 96 square, that means you can write 100 minus 4. So 100 minus 4 the square, that means again you have to apply the a minus b whole square formula, that means 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 4 plus 4 square. Okay, so my dear student, this process is amazing process, but you have to remember two formula, a minus b whole square formula, that means I am telling you, no, that means a square minus 2a plus b square, and a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2a plus b square, that is, it will be 10,000, it will be 800 plus 16. So if you add it, then 10016 minus 800, so it will be 162, so 9 to 16. Our answer is done. So my dear student, So easy process you can apply to find out the square of any number. Okay, so my dear students, these amazing tricks. Our next so this is the very amazing trick. So please, if you like this process, if you like this tricks, so please subscribe my channel and keep follow my channel and to get the variety type of math tricks. Thank you. Bye bye.